G'day traders and hodlers, Sam here from TradetoProspa to give you another crypto update. It's been an interesting time with the AI coins and I missed a few, unfortunately. I'm here to talk about Optimism today, which is pretty much another good project, and it's done its good gains. And I'm continuing on from the previous video post and setting my expectations. I see this as a bull flag. Took on a short time. It does seem to be a bull flag or a continuation pattern. Now, if this is a bull market and if Bitcoin continues to go for the 25k or 28k, as some predict, we don't know. But I do believe that we're still bullish, and SP 500 and the Dixie still undecided. But as long as they range sideways, I think crypto has a chance to go up, especially the alts. So now, this is what I had originally. Let's just get the big screen up. And there's assumptions there. The main assumption is obviously this blue line where it was always the previous top. And what we saw was consolidation above resistance. And so that used as support, and now it's springing up. This was, as I said, was a key level because of the way I've done it. It aligned with the Fibonacci. But however, this is when I redid it again, and with some assumptions, if I was to bring this back down, you can see that sort of equates to 1.212 over here. Oh, sorry, 272 right there. And so if that is correct, then our 1.414 or this level here with the fib extension could be as well. As you can see, that fib extension from swing low, swing high to the swing low also is playing a role here. It's a 786 roughly. Yep. So I can get rid of that. Actually, let's just do this for a sec. Make it smaller. And now let's just go in closer. So if I use this, I'm not sure why I got to there. That was, so I can get rid of that. We can see the clear fib levels, and I might move this target away now. Can't remember why I had it there. But as I see this level, oops, I shouldn't touch that. I see this as a target. So if this was to move, it's likely to be a target. And using this bottom support, let's see how we go. Let's just do this in parallel and just move it up to that level there. Give it take a bit. And what we want to do is do that as well and look for the wick. So we're just having a channel, and I'm looking for potentially the top of this channel. Obviously, it might not make it to the top of the channel, and I'm hoping that this macro 1.618 is their target based on this methodology. Yep. So if I was to make this as a 1 and the bottom is 0, we have our fibs, and that's lined up well, and that's the next target, and I think that could be the ultimate target. And then we have a pullback of a significant and it's along that channel as well. So that's going to be a range. That's probably going to find the topping off structure. That could be the $5, the target. Maybe at that time Bitcoin hits 25k or 28k, whatever it is. Or we're just going to have an idea. But this one here is, sorry, yeah. So this one from a fib extension is probably a likely target as well. So that we need to get past that before we can say this could come back down and make wave 3. This could be wave 3, this could be wave 4, and then wave 5, like that. So small time frame, I had this as a 5, but on a bigger time frame, it's a 3 and a 4 if we get to there. And a bit of a pullback, and then up it goes. So that's my thinking at the moment. As long as Bitcoin continues to go sideways or goes up, we have momentum to the upside. And if we look at the indicators, this is on the daily, and chances are that this is going to be a breakout. You can see the formation. It's a broadening wedge type of stuff. So if it breaks out there, you can see where it's going to go. This is likely to go up, and maybe not as high as there. And we've got to start seeing bearish divergence, and then that's where we need to. And that bearish divergence will probably get to that level, hopefully. And this is obviously, if this crosses over, even better. This is bullish, as you can see on the daily. There's no bearish at the moment. A bit of a bearish divergence coming in, but this could still go. So indicators support the theory. There is no, on the daily, on the short term wise, there was some bearish divergence that played out. It's not much. Now we've got second day of green candles, and we've got 3 hours to, 22 hours. So for 1 day green candle, and we're looking for a second day green candle. And anyway, I do feel like this is going to go up, as long as Bitcoin doesn't drop, guys. So I'm going to leave it at that. Continue on with a few more coins, like I said yesterday, and so look for those video posts. Talk to you soon. Cheers.